Hey guys, it's raining a lot more. Sorry my last part shut off. This is part 3. Actually I did this 2 times before, but it kept shutting off. So, attempted part 3. And plus the second part shut off. So, and see the light part right there is darkening. Look at the rain's increasing again, the rain puddle. Look at more puddles. This is crazy. The wind was starting to increase when the second part shut off. I think I'm going to track the storm down a lot. This is a lot of rain, man. Oh my god. My phone's getting wet. Holy crap. This is not good. Oh my god. Is it raining hard? And it's raining quick, too. Quick paced. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Holy crap. This is awful. Oh my god. I just saw lightning. Insane. This is insane. Oh my god. This is not good at all. Man, this is not good at all. Look at these puddles. The puddles are increasing again. Look at a rain puddle right there. Look at it's making a rain puddle right there. All sorts of places. The rain droplets are. Some of the rain droplets are landing right there. Oh my god, this is some fast-paced rain. At first it was kind of slow. Now it's getting a lot faster. Oh man, my phone's at 20%. I really hate that. I really hate it when my phone gets low and I'm trying to film something. I hate it how it gets so low. Yeah, my phone gets low. It was at like 50% when I'm doing this. Now it's like 20. I don't know why my phone's getting so low. I wasn't out here for very long. Oh my god. It smells like rain still, and it's continuing and continuing the rain. Whoa! Whoa! That was crazy. Whoa, the rain's getting over here. Yeah, it's really increasing. Oh my god, it's raining so much more. It's incredible how fast this rain's moving. It's moving pretty quickly. You guys probably can't see it, I'm sorry. It's because, my phone lens isn't that good. Yeah, I probably should replace it and make it look HD. Oh well. It's good for now. Someone left the door open. I'm guessing because sinks in the hallway, so that smell of rain will get it off. You know, get it so it won't stink as bad. Okay, see you guys later.